are going to love the 2018 Ram 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, auto-dimming rear view mirror, center armrest, universal garage door opener, compass, power windows, trip computer, electronic stability control, brake assist, overhead console, tachometer, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, rear view camera, front reading lamps, tilt steering wheel. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.